Welcome back, traders. In today's session, we are going deep into a complete smart money concept breakdown. We will study market structure, liquidity engineering, breaker blocks, order blocks, inducement, and finally, how to execute a high-probability sell trade from premium price levels down to sell-side liquidity. Everything you will see is marked clearly on the chart, so stay with me till the end. Let's begin by observing market structure. Price was previously moving upward, forming higher highs and higher lows. But then something important happens. The market creates a clear break of structure to the downside. A break of structure simply means the market has violated a previous swing low, signaling that the character of the market is shifting. This break shows that institutional traders are no longer supporting higher prices and are now preparing for a downward move. This moment is extremely important because a break of structure is usually the first sign that the market wants to rebalance inefficiencies and target liquidity below. Right after the break, notice how price retraces upward and sweeps the liquidity resting above the previous swing high. This liquidity sweep is a classic manipulation. Retail traders place buy orders and stop losses around these highs. Smart money pushes the price just above these levels to capture that liquidity before reversing. This sweep confirms that the intention of the market is bearish. Next, the price taps into a well-defined breaker block. A breaker block forms when an earlier demand zone fails, and the same area later acts as a strong supply zone. Think of the breaker block as an area where smart money made an attempt to push price higher, but when that push failed, the same zone becomes a region of institutional selling. Price returning to this breaker block is not random. It is part of the institutional process of rebalancing inefficiencies and filling unfilled orders. We want to pay close attention whenever price returns to a breaker block after taking liquidity, because this combination is one of the most powerful confluences in smart money trading. Inside the breaker block, we also have a refined order block. This is the last bullish candle before the strong bearish move that caused the break of structure. Order blocks are the footprints left by institutional traders. They reveal the exact zones where smart money placed large positions and caused displacement in the market. Price often returns to these zones because the market needs to fill remaining orders that were not executed during the initial move. The presence of an order block inside a breaker block creates a layered structure, a premium supply zone with strong logical justification. This stack of institutional zones significantly increases the probability that price will reject from this area. Before price taps the order block, look carefully at what forms below it. Inducement. Inducement is a critical concept that explains how smart money ensures liquidity is available when price moves into their zone. Retail traders see the small highs forming and assume the market is ready to continue upward. They open buy positions or enter early rejections. But in reality, smart money is only collecting more liquidity to support their sell orders. Inducement is like bait. The market creates a false sense of direction, encouraging traders to enter too early so their stops can be grabbed later. Once the inducement liquidity is taken, price finally taps into the order block, exactly as expected. Now that price has reacted from the premium order block, our next job is to identify the downside target. On the chart, we can clearly see a pool of sell-side liquidity resting below the structure. This is made up of equal lows and swing lows, where stop loss is set. These levels act as magnets. The market will almost always gravitate toward these liquidity pools because that is where smart money collects profits and liquidates remaining positions. So our sell-side liquidity becomes the logical draw, the place where price wants to reach after the rejection. This is where the entire setup comes together. Price sweeps inducement, it taps into the breaker block, it touches the refined order block, and then delivers a clean rejection. This is the ideal entry for a sell position. As discount traders, we never chase trades. We always wait for price to come back to premium zones before entering. Selling from premium and targeting discount is the entire philosophy. The reaction from the order block provides the confirmation, and the target becomes the sell-side liquidity below, giving us a clean, high-probability trade. This is a textbook example of how the market delivers when you understand the framework. Break of structure, liquidity sweep, breaker block, order block, inducement, sell-side liquidity, and a premium entry. This is what smart money trading looks like when you follow the rules and trust the delivery. If you want more breakdowns like this, make sure you stay tuned.